Hi friends and students. Today we are going to study the electronic configuration of the 4D series. When we talk about the 4D electronic configuration, we are referring to the elements which have the electrons enter into the 4D subset. The elements belong to the 4D series. They have an atomic number ranging from the 39 to the 48. Okay. And in the last video, we have already discussed about the stability of full-filled and half-filled configuration. If you are not clear about it, you can refer to my earlier video where I explained the full-filled and half-filled configuration and reason of their stability. Okay, so let's start. If you will come across the electronic configuration of the 4D series, first of all you keep in mind that which is the nearest noble gas present near the 4D series. If you will come across the krypton, you see here the electronic configuration. If you will write the electronic configuration from the 1s, okay, from 1s, what your configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and 4s2, 3d10, 4p6. If you will observe here, so the electronic configuration till here, it is representing the 30 of a 36 electron. So instead of writing from 1s to 4p6, we can write krypton here. Okay. So from the 39 to 48, we will simply using the krypton in place of these long electronic configuration. Hope this is clear for you. Okay, now come to this one. If you will come across this one, atrium. Okay, I think so. It should be a very clear for you that what is the general trend of the 4D series electronic configuration. It is just like a 3D configuration. Okay, जैसे अपन ने 3D में इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिग्रेशन पढ़ा था, जनरल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिग्रेशन क्या होता था 3D सीरीज का n-1 d, ठीक, और इसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन 1 to 10 की रेंज पे आते थे, ठीक है, और n s 0 to 2. Okay, so this is the electronic configuration. So if you will come with this one, you can see here. Now atrium. So what we can write the electronic configuration, it will be a 5s to 41. Okay. Now if you will see the electronic configuration of a zirconium, it is a 5s to 42. It is right. Okay, it is a regular trend. Okay, now come to the niobium. What is happening in the niobium? Configuration should be 5s to 4d3. Configuration, what should be the configuration? Configuration should be 5s to 4d3. But what is the actual configuration here? You are observing here, it is written 5s1 4d4. It means that here exception case is there. Okay, instead of a configuration 5s to 4d3, the configuration is 5s1 4d4. It means that here exception case is applied. And what is the reason behind it? Why it is attaining this type of a configuration instead of a regular trend? The reason is that it is attaining, it is try to obtaining the maximum exchange energy. So if this is obeying this type of a configuration, it means that they have a maximum number of unpaired electron and maximum exchange energy possibility is there, and maximum exchange energy is there. Now come to the molybdenum. It is already attaining the half-filled configuration, so this is also coming under the exception case. Configuration is 5s1 4d5, and if it is attaining the half-filled, it is already stable because energy exchange, maximum energy exchange is there here. Now come to the technetium. That is in the normal trend, configuration will be 5s to 4d5. So it is a 5s to 4d5. Now one thing you keep in mind, if you will come across with NCERT book, okay, class 12 NCERT group, for the technetium configuration is given 5s1 4d6. What is given? 5s1 4d6. Okay, but if you will come across with the higher books, that is JDD or any or higher author book or good book, the configuration is written 5s to 4d5. So that's why I mention here 5s to 4d5. Okay, so if you are writing 5s1 4d6, it will be also right. so no need to worry about it. Class 12 student, they can write 5s1 4d6. Okay. Now come to the ruthenium. What is the configuration is 5s1 4d7, for rhodium 5s1 4d8. Question is why they are obtaining this type of a configuration? Because from here they are trying to obtain the fulfilled configuration. So that's why the configuration is krypton 5s1 4d7. For the rhodium 5s1 4d8. For palladium 5s0 4d10. Now you observe here, for the palladium, electronic configuration is attaining completely filled and s orbital is completely empty. So that's why palladium is known as a one stable element, because it is attaining the fulfilled configuration. Okay. Now in the case of silver also, the configuration is 5s1 4d10, and for the cadmium 5s2 4d10. Okay. So why the fulfilled electronic configuration is more stable? The reason I already gave you in the last video. You can go through it or refer that video, and I think so it is clear for you the configuration, electronic configuration of 4D series. From the element belonging to the 4D series are from the atomic number 39 to 48. Okay, so keep in mind there is a trick to remember the element from 39 to 48, that Ya Zar Nav Motak Ruh Rahapad Ejikat. If you want to know the more trick about this type of a trick related to the element, you can refer to my video or you can comment in my video. I will give you some help from that. Thank you. I hope so this video help you to just understand the configuration of 4D series, yttrium to cadmium. Thank you and have a nice day.